So Xiaomi is set to launch the Mi 11 Pro and Mi 11 Ultra in a couple of hours. So how does the Mi 11 Pro differ from the current Mi 11 and the Mi 11 Ultra that's gonna launch alongside it? Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech videos. Xiaomi is calling the Mi 11 Pro the Android King. They shared a teaser post of the retail box, and just like the Mi 11, the Mi 11 Pro is not gonna ship with a charger in the box. And that's surprising because the Redmi K40 series and Note 10 series has a charger in the box. Anyway, both the Mi 11 Pro and the Ultra are gonna support 67-watt fast charging, and with that comes a new battery technology. Xiaomi is calling this new battery a silicon oxygen anode battery, and it's supposed to deliver super fast charging speeds much faster than what we're used to with lithium-ion batteries. In theory, the new battery should be able to hold 10 times more capacity than graphite. It also occupies less space, so it should help to make the phone thinner and lighter. Both the Pro and Ultra are gonna house a 5000 mAh capacity of this new silicon oxygen anode battery. The major differences between the Mi 11 Pro and the Ultra is there's no secondary display on the back of the Pro like we see on the Ultra, and the periscope zoom lens will be limited to 50 times while the Ultra will be able to do 100 times zoom. Also, previous rumors hinted at a 50 megapixel OmniVision sensor to be the main camera on the Mi 11 Pro, but according to a new leak, it just might be a 108 megapixel sensor, most likely the new HM3 that's on the S21 Ultra. Both phones are going to be IP68 water and dust resistant, and Xiaomi has taken its cooling game to another level on both the Mi 11 Pro and the Ultra. They would have a new 3-state cooling system for better heat dissipation, so we should see higher sustained peak performance compared to the Mi 11 and other flagships. Xiaomi is also going to launch the Mi Mix 5, and most likely it's foldable that was previously leaked and shows that Xiaomi is going the Galaxy Fold route with the inward folding design. We might also see some other tech besides smartphones. Anyway, that's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.